आपके अकॉर्डिंग एक साइंटिस्ट क्या होता है और वो क्या करता है?
कि वो अच्छी अच्छी खोज करते हैं जिससे हमें उनके बारे में अधिक जानकारी होती है तथा जो वो खोज करते हैं उससे हमारे देश के काम आता है तथा विकास होता है हमारे देश का।
वो ऐसे लोग होते हैं जो नई नई खोजें करते रहते हैं और दे हेल्प द society to get better and with new things.
These guys work day and night, and they are trying to do something for their country or for the world.
He works. He works hard.
Okay.
He works on science and technology.
Okay.
Then
This is the lab, that's it. And the studies and slogging, that's it. Comes.
Scientists are always eager to know the new things and invent the new things.
Normal people, they are rather dedicated people. They all are abnormal people. Either it's Einstein or anybody. किसी को कुछ ऐसा कार्य करने की ज़रूरत पड़ती है जो कि इन्वेंट नहीं हुआ है, तो उसे इन्वेंट करने के लिए वो इतना घुस जाता है कि उसको आजू बाजू क्या हो रहा है उसको कुछ पता नहीं होता।
आपके अकॉर्डिंग एक साइंटिस्ट की जिंदगी कैसी होती है?
I find the life of scientists very boring.
Basically, they are a little bit studious, study-minded, maybe a little bit self-centered, and they don't want to venture out because they find the world rotates around the research and the books.
Engrossed in only one work, one research, one research, one research.
Yeah, if somebody is an outgoing type, adventurous type, he finds a little bit misfit in the complete setup.
नहीं, वो लोग enjoy भी कर सकते हैं. Okay.
Yeah, they do have a social life. Not much of it, but I think once in a blue moon.
I think it's a very interesting field because I've seen in IIT PhD guys doing research.
I would say, I'm in the science field myself. I have a positive view. I don't think they're boring. Most people do find it boring. Okay. Or it's too hard. Physics, that's the view in most schools and most colleges. Physics is very, very hard.
I don't think they are crazy people.
No, I don't think scientists are crazy people. I think scientists are really cool. I think they are amazingly intelligent.
Really unsocial people because half of the time they are in their laboratories or half of the time they are doing their researches. So
I think it's very boring. Sorry, but that's how we have seen and read them. But Abdul Kalam Azad has changed it a bit. But as the old psyche and the theory goes, it is quite boring and.
They have behaved normally. No difference.
It is absolutely different from the social life. वो सोशल लाइफ में आने के लिए उसको फिर उस तरीके का एक्टिविटी करनी पड़ती है ताकि वो जैसे कलाम आज़ाद जो थे अपने तो वो राष्ट्रपति वो बाद में बच्चों के साथ इन्वॉल्व हो गए और फिर उन्होंने बच्चों के साथ रह करके इंस्पिरेशन ली।
Wants to become scientist, he loves his profession. और ऐसा नहीं कि एंजॉय नहीं करता है, all are not Einstein कि कोई भी साइंटिस्ट हैं, सब ऐसा नहीं है कि हर एक 24 घंटे काम कर रहा है। They have their family life.
क्या आपको लगता है कि साइंटिस्ट अपनी ज़िंदगी एंजॉय भी करते हैं?
नहीं करते हैं, लेकिन वो लोग भी करते हैं, लेकिन उतना नहीं जैसे नॉर्मल पर्सन करते हैं उतना नहीं करते। नहीं ऐसा नहीं, क्योंकि वो लोग ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा स्टडी करते हैं, इसलिए वो लोग ऐसा रहते हैं। और लोग हमेशा बिजी रहते हैं, अपने को बिजी बनाए रहते हैं और फालतू काम नहीं करते वो लोग।
Something like that. Might be their whole enjoyment is in the lab work.
नहीं करता है। 24 आवर इन द लैब नहीं कर सकता, कर भी नहीं सकता क्योंकि कहते हैं ना आवश्यकता की जर्नी है। जब आवश्यकता होती तो आविष्कार होता है। तो आविष्कार कब होगा? जब आवश्यकता होगी, तो आवश्यकता होगी तो आविष्कार करेगा, नहीं तो नहीं करेगा। तो आवश्यकता इतनी होती है कि वो डूब जाता है उसमें काम करने के लिए।
They enjoy the life in their own way. They enjoy the life with the books, with the research, with the library, and their own way of music, instruments. They tend to remain cocoon in their own world, in their own group, right? And they are self-satisfied in themselves.
Of course they enjoy. That is why they have chosen that line.
yeah.
It depends from a person to person. Okay. But generally I believe जो साइंटिस्ट होते हैं, पर्सन हुआ साइंटिस्ट, उनमें एक जुनून होता है, एंड दैट थिंग मेक्स देम वर्क एट ऑड आवर्स।
If they don't enjoy life, then it is their fault. They should enjoy life.
क्या रीज़न है कि प्योर साइंसेस या रिसर्च का फील्ड इंडिया में एक अच्छा कैरियर ऑप्शन नहीं माना जाता है?
So probably because even though there's full intelligence, government does not support it. They don't give enough money. They don't give enough resources.
शायद बहुत पढ़ना पड़ता है।
Salary I think is less and it's more difficult to survive, no? With this.
a lot of scientists go to America because they are better
More money.
opportunity, more money and better.
Ultimately, money. See, that is the main thing.
Because you know that glamour and that that high pay and the life being secluded and monotonous is.
It's not known to a lot of people, I mean, the field as to how much scope it has. So, and even in India, I mean, it's not appreciated that much how much it's appreciated outside.
Maybe people don't want to use their invention things and don't want to think much in a newer way.
Actually, when I was 12, I really wanted to be a scientist, but after that, I actually want to be an automobile engineer.
They find perhaps the field is not very much lucrative as far as the remuneration goes.
Actually, I want to be an automobile engineer because I want to make a car for India, which will be cheaper, but at the same time, economic, and its design would be world class.
The government is reason behind it because they don't provide funds, enough funds. Now see, in PhD, a person is getting only 10,000 stipend in IIT, and in foreign they are getting in lakhs. Okay, and that 10,000 was decided 10 to 12 years back. Now, 12 years back, that 10,000 bucks was having some value of money. With 6% inflation also, if you consider, it's less than half. In fact, it's 30%. I believe the government should release funds and keep at least 30,000 for a PhD guy and raise the standard so that more people are into research.
Actually, इसमें कुछ ज़्यादा दिमाग यूज़ करना पड़ता है और कुछ ज़्यादा ही टाइम.
तो बच्चा सोशल एक्टिविटी से कट जाता है, इसलिए पेरेंट्स नहीं चाहते हैं कि वो सोशल एक्टिविटी से कटे, इसलिए वो नहीं चाहते.
क्या आपने इनमें से किसी के बारे में सुना है?
IITs. Okay. Do you know IIMs?
Of course.
Do you know IISc?
No, I don't know.
So आपने IITs के बारे में सुना है? IIT
के बारे में, IIM के बारे में, IISc का थोड़ा सा ध्यान नहीं है.
Do you know IITs?
Yeah.
And IIMs?
Yeah.
So do you know IISc?
No.
Have you heard about IITs?
Who hasn't?
IIMs?
Yeah.
So have you heard about IISc?
Sorry?
IISc?
No.
आपने IITs के बारे में सुना है? Yeah, IIMs? No. और IISc? नहीं. TIFR? नहीं. Have you heard about IITs?
Yeah.
IIMs?
Yeah.
And TIFR?
No.
So do you know about IITs? Of course you know.
Yeah.
And do you know about IIMs?
Yeah, of course.
Do you know about IISc?
Yeah.
Question, do you know about IITs? IITs. And IIMs?
You've heard of them.
Yeah.
So have you heard about IISc?
No.
Do you know about IITs? IIT.
I know about IITs, but
Have you heard about IIM?
yeah.
Have you heard about IISc?
Yeah.
Okay, that's so. Do you know about IITs?
I have done from IIT and passed out from IIT.
Okay, so do you know IIMs?
Yes, I am. Why not?
And do you know about IISc?
Yes, why not? I am myself with electronics and communication engineer.
Okay.
I passed from IIT Roorkee.
Do you know about IISc?
From 1974.
Okay. So do you know IISc?
Indian Institute of Yes, Bangalore. Yes, I was
Okay,
working in
thanks a
Bangalore
lot.
Indian Telephone Industries. I know.